Discover a cozy haven at Chestnut Grove L15, where comfort meets affordability. This accommodation in Liverpool offers spacious shared apartments for you to choose from. Unveiling its unique features, this abode presents a private room and a shared bathroom, complemented by a communal kitchen, your daily retreat after a bustling day of lectures and projects. Imagine returning to your cozy bed after a long day at the university. Plus, with complimentary high-speed Wi-Fi, you can effortlessly stay connected to all your friends back at home. Nestled within the proximity of esteemed academic institutions like Liverpool Hope University and the University of Liverpool, this property is the perfect space for students looking for a peaceful place to live. What sets this locale ablaze is its cozy confines and its vibrant surroundings. Discover an array of dining delights just a stone's throw away, including the highly rated Eureka Greek restaurant, promising a gastronomic adventure. And for a charming retreat, venture to Papa's Cafe Bistro, a short drive from the property. At Chestnut Grove L15, a world full of adventure awaits you. Book your new home at amberstudent.com today.